everyone, so today I'm going to show you a really insane WhatsApp automation. So you can create this automation for customers. So what it basically does is it goes actually people first message to that bot that hello, and then it goes I have loads of information in a spreadsheet, so it can study that, and then it can be like, hello, how can I help you? I write, I want to learn something, and if there's data inside the spreadsheet for that, it can be like, okay, I found some information related to it, here's what you need to know. So this WhatsApp bot can be really useful for businesses, and you don't need to message them yourself or hire someone to message them back. Saves a lot of time, saves a lot of money. So let's start right away without any further introduction. Let's go and type WhatsApp Business Cloud, and you have triggers and actions. The first node of n8n will be trigger, right? So you go and click on messages, and you just need to create a new credential. So go open docs here, and come down here and go to this using OAuth 2 and client ID and client secret. So you need to visit the Meta Developer App dashboard, select your Meta app, and then go to, in the left side there's app settings. You click on the drop down and you go to basic, then you copy the app ID and the app secret and paste them in here. So app ID will be client ID and the app secret will be the client secret. So once you're done with that, it is really simple from here. So I'm going to go and add an if node, and once I add a if node in here, we can go to value 1. okay, so this value 1 will be, so guys, before this we need to execute our previous node. So executing previous nodes is very simple. And you open your WhatsApp, it will come straight into your you just need to go to the number it gives you, and the number you have to say hello or something. So hi. So I went to the WhatsApp bot, the number they gave me, I wrote hi, and as you can see, it basically ran that successfully. And we can go to the drop down over here. So I've hidden everything by my face, and now you can see I wrote hi, so there's hi over here and there's my number and stuff. So you'll see from here, so you just need to drag from in here. As you can see, we're just going to click this, drag that in, and is equal to, so you just need to let this be is equal to, and you put in, so from that, from was your number. So before from, if you have an Indian phone number, it will be 91, the country code. So exact same from, you just need to put that in here. So let me put that 91 and your number, right? Let's just do that. As you can see, I've put in my number, I've hidden it again by my face, but I've put that in after 91 because I have an Indian phone number. So now what you need to do is, let's just tidy this up, or let me just go a bit down. You need to do something like this, leave false blank, like you can just add a new node and write do nothing. So no operation, do nothing. This, you don't need to fill anything, it's just like a thing to ensure that this doesn't do anything, it just goes, and it's like, it's just one thing. Okay, here why are we doing this if node is, the AI agent sends a message, but now the WhatsApp trigger also takes the AI agent's message, so it goes into an infinite loop which can destroy every single thing. So that's why we need to be extra careful. What we need to do is go and add an AI agent. So you just type in AI agent and you go define below, and you add in a prompt. Let me generate a prompt real quick and I'll share it with you. It's a long prompt, but it's just explaining that you're a WhatsApp customer agent, you need to tackle the customer, and there's the contact information below here, so you can drag and drop the name, number, query, and you need to execute them in order for dragging them in. Okay, once you're done with the prompt, come outside, okay, and go to, let me just move this in here. So delete this, guys, if you want. As I said, I just did this to show you guys. I'm just going to delete this because this is just a bit too unnecessary. We're going to add a chat model, so be ready to add open router, and I'm just going to select my open router account. So you just need to go create a new credential, fill in your API key. You get the API key from openrouter.ai/settings/keys. Once you're done with that, you just copy that API key, put that in, you're good to go. Now you go here, I'm going to select 4.1 mini. This is a nice model for now. I'm just going to go to memory, simple memory, define below, key. Okay, let me just put in key, and once you have put the key, you need to add a tool and just put sheet. And once you're done sheet, you just go create a new credential, connect your Google account, and then create a Google sheet with all the information. So I have an untitled spreadsheet with one sheet which contains a mixture of information that, so this is very personalized because my customers will come to my bot related to my business, and they will ask questions. So this is kind of a database for it. So the prompt should also mention, if you need extra information, go and read the Google Sheets. You're also done with the AI agent. Now let's come to the last step. This is such a quick and time-saving automation, guys. I can't wait to show you how nice this runs. This can help your customers. I'm really excited for the last step. Please watch till the end. So you write WhatsApp again, send message, create new credential, docs, and now you're not. So before I told you, please specifically use the using OAuth 2. Now you come to the using API key and you go to the steps for access token and a business account ID. Once you've got the access token and business account ID, you just put them in here and save it and get out of it. You just fill in this, okay? There's a test number which will come in this drop down. You select that, put in your phone number with the country code before it, and the AI agent's output. So what I'm going to do is execute the previous node once again. So right now there's a output. So it even knows my name because it was defined inside the prompt. Now you just put the output and now you fill in this and this. Great. So now we're done here. As you can see, we have the AI agent ready. Feel free to test this out. So execute workflow, and as you can see, I can write hi. So I'm writing in hi over here. It's running. Hello, how can I assist you today? Now I can ask it anything related to the database and it will tell me. So I added one of my newsletters in it related to you don't need a roadmap for AI agents. Here's how. So if I write something related to a roadmap for AI agents, I want a roadmap for AI agents. We should run this. Actually, you can turn this to active, but now for just the sake of testing, we just execute the workflow here, put that in. So let's see what it gives. Okay, so it went to my newsletter and it gave the steps that were exactly in my newsletter. This is so cool, guys. Your customers can benefit from this. I can see the potential. Go ahead, make this in under 10 minutes and you just save time and money. So bye guys, see you next time. I hope you liked my automation. Bye.